Okay. What up, Highness? What up, Chulos? What up, Vato? Ra! Ra! Okay. I seen this little hyena rolling on the corner. I said, what's up, baby? Do you want the quarter? She said, I want some Taco Bell too. 99 cent burrito, you know how we do. Went to the corner, saw a pretty chick. She said, Vamonos, and I put in the dick. Yeah, you know I got the crew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kids too. Don't pay child support on the Maury show. Bitch talking about that kid got a fro. I got some soft hair, square ass head. When I get the babies, put them in the bed. I'm 25 and I have a 14-year-old girlfriend. She's my little sister's best friend. Play some dominoes, bitch. $5 is bankroll. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Swag. Okay, rolling through the crib. Got a pretty chick. What's up, man? She said she wanted it.
Okay, we're done. We're done.